In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the latest version of PowerShell on Windows 11. First, let's talk about what we're doing and why. Windows 11 comes with Windows PowerShell already built in, but it's usually not the newest version, and it's gradually being replaced by what's now called PowerShell, sometimes referred to as PowerShell 7. Installing the latest version gives you new features, better performance, and improved compatibility with modern scripts and tools. We're going to use Microsoft's official method, which is to install PowerShell from the Microsoft Store or from the official GitHub releases page. Both options are safe and supported. Start by opening the Start menu. Click on the search bar and type Microsoft Store, then open it. Once the Store window loads, click on the search box at the top and type PowerShell. Look for the app simply called PowerShell, published by Microsoft Corporation. Make sure it's not a third-party tool or something with a suspicious name. When you've found the right one, click it to open the app page. On the PowerShell page, click the Get or Install button. Windows will download and install it automatically in the background. This may take a couple of minutes depending on your internet speed. When it's done, you'll see an Open button. Click Open, and the new PowerShell window will launch. You can also find it later by searching for PowerShell 7 or just PowerShell in the Start menu. The icon will look slightly different from the classic Windows PowerShell. Now, if you don't have access to the Microsoft Store or you prefer a more manual method, you can install PowerShell from GitHub. Open your browser and search for PowerShell GitHub Releases. Click the official PowerShell repository from Microsoft, then go to the Releases section. Look for the latest stable release for Windows, and under Assets, download the Windows installer file, usually ending in MSI and marked for x64. Once the download finishes, open the installer. The setup wizard will guide you through the process. Accept the license terms. Keep the default options unless you know you need something specific, and click Next until you reach Install. When the installation completes, click Finish. To confirm everything worked, open the new PowerShell and type the command ps version table .ps version and press Enter. The version number you see should match the latest release you installed. You now have the latest PowerShell running on your Windows 11 machine.